What's 1.2 meters? Alright guys, what's going on? Day 2, H2O. About to jump in Eric's. Damn, bad seafood this morning. We're waiting on this homeboy right now. Oh! Oh no. Oh, you're on the wrong side, dude.
Dude, not impounded or ticketed yet. Doing good.
Doing good? Looking good? Looking clean? You think you're getting pulled over or what?
No, not really.
You're gonna get pulled over today.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not. It's not my girl.
Yeah. Fun?
Hell yeah. That's why I get pulled over.
You trying to get pulled over for the vlog?
Hell no.
I think that's what my vlog's waiting for, bro.
Nah, they're gonna shaft me.
You're gonna kick it sideways out here?
Somewhere else.
So Eric just pulled up to the Canadian's house. What's her name?
Francis, LP, JP, and Chivers.
Chivers sounds like a good time, bro. Sounds like your party's hard. So we are going to check out both the FRS, the 350Z, and what do they got, a WRX in there as well? Yes, yes.
2JZ STI.
2JZ STI. Oh boy. Check it out right now. We're going to check it out right now. The block is hot. This condo is dope right now. Look at this.
Yo, Mexico.
This is Mexico? That's dope. How you guys doing? How many times can you see something from Quebec? Very clean, and also with a big fat motor on it. Freaking meaty ass side. Oh my god. He did a burnout in this, blew the diff out?
Axle blue.
Here?
Yeah.
Nice. The fitment's perfect on this Z.
You moved this clutch on the way here. You're driving with no clutch from Canada.
He drove from Canada with no clutch?
And then they did the clutch over here. They pulled the trans out.
Here?
Hey, this is my birthday, man. What are you doing, man?
Yo!
I have a very good English, man.
Oh, you have like best English, bro. What's going on?
Yeah.
Eric's been telling me some wild stuff about you guys.
Nice car. We have a nice fucking trip with a lot of beer, alcohol, and just get fucked up every night.
Let's do it. What do you think of this piece of shit?
That thing. Thank you. Where's the key, man?
They got better ones in Canada or what?
No way, man. Finally, someone made something cool with a Skyline, huh?
This is a Skyline? It's a bootleg.
Here's a two-step. Where's the two-step?
There's a hidden button.
Check under the glove compartment. Under.
Nah, it's not in there.
Good or what?
Yeah, but no,
Good,
I,
okay.
I think it's time for a burnout, man.
Okay, okay. You heard the man.
A little one.
You better reverse it all the way back. Uh-oh. You're scared of security?
Cops haven't pulled me over.
Bro, it's security.
Huh?
It's security. He ain't gonna shoot you. Hey, hold on. One more time. 9 what?
90 days.
90 days.
Yeah, in prison. In jail.
Making like
Oh my
trouble.
God.
We get,
If you do a burnout.
Well, if we
Maybe didn't want like
make
some
some noise again.
go back to a horrible
Last
night.
night.
So we want
That's
to
fucking
mark the
wild.
hashtag. Just a little bit afraid of or
Nah, I'm Asian.
fuck. On gas pump, it's over 600 horsepower, and that's like on race fuel, 800 that you want to go. But
800.
like his gas pump just shut down, and he can't reach the 800 horsepower. So that's why for now he's stuck at 600.
It's French, right?
Yep.
I need a curse word in French.
Are you, this is going on YouTube, huh?
Yeah.
So we can swear. Okay, so
No. I don't care. Fuck it.
Okay, good. Okay. So first thing you can say in French is tabarnak. Tabernac. Tabernac.
Knack. What does it mean?
Fuck up. That's a swear word.
Simon, shout out to you, man. Your boys are fucking crazy. So, just saying what's up from an old friendly friend.
Once you're late for work, that's what you're doing.
What is it? Tabernacle?
Ouais, tabarnak. Au calice will be. Bro! Cal, t'as un asti de gros pénis!
Oh shit!
Hey, brûle les dehors!
What'd you say?
I asked him if he can do a Bernie's.
Can you do a burning?
He was drove down to Quebec like with those tires and stuff. No, not common. That's not common. So
H2O right now, you already know we got a group of cars, some people standing outside, and then this cop rolls up on the corner, just waiting for some shit to happen. Say something for my Canadian subscribers.
Ce soir, il va y avoir un super de gros party à la 67e. J'espère que vous allez être là. En tout cas, Marco, lui, il va être là. Merci, la gang, ça va être débile. Yeah! Yeah, I just bought this GTR for the whole weekend, and tonight I'm gonna do a fucking burnout with this car. Yeah!
like, his face at the moment he was like,
Monte tes seins.
Monte tes seins.
Monte tes seins.
That's it?
Yeah.
yes.
Il faudrait que tu le fasses good.
Monte tes seins? You want to burn out? You want me to put you on a fucking spot right now? Yo, you're gonna do a burnout? Oh shit! Oh shit, bro. We all hyped up now, bro. We all hyped up now. Yeah. No, he ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna do it. Look at all. Look what I say.
Fuck, man! like I was all hype. Everybody was up.
No, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to hype you up. It was pretty awesome seeing everybody. Oh, he might. He might.
Jesus is on your side, bro. Bang it, red light.
Fucking backseat intervention. Oh, dude.
I have to go through the trunk.
Are the new family go-to getter, grocery getter thing.
JDM back seats.
Oh man, this is fucking hard, man. Getting out's gonna be probably all right. Oh, should have picked your side because you can go. Oh god. Wait, hold on, wait. Oh god. Whoa!
So are you coming back?
Yeah. Oh.
We're taking some pictures and then you're coming back?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, you guys want to see?
So crazy when I post like car shit, right? My insight is
It was a different RX7. Dude's from Florida, and this thing just looks absolutely amazing. R33, I believe it's bagged. It looks bagged. Holy crap. Oh God, I love R33s. It's just something about R33s that looks so awesome.
Wait.
What a beautiful S2K, holy shit. More. Yo, Booze, what was that? I want to see what? You want to see what?
Oh, what do you want to see?
I don't know. What are you trying to tell me?
No, that.
Oh, da 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 da.
Tell him. He'll do it.
Hey, Stone Temple, let me get da 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 da.
What the fuck are you?
Rev it up! There we go.
Hey, yo! That's to my homies, bro! Whoa! Oh, shit! Go! Mira! Hey, chocha! Mira, chocha!
Oh!
Not even.
My weekend?
What?
When I just got here,
When?
got a fat ticket. You'll see it. That's not okay.
What happens if I try to kick your leg and accidentally kick your hand while you're...
That would suck.
Hey, yo, 2018, H2O, no I. We out here for FLIPZCO vlogging on the daily when we wake up after breakfast and brunch. Fucking my man Justin's been slacking, but your boy Cody is out here fucking killing it. We got
2
footage. We got what?
You got 2 points?
We got tickets
on BMX bikes.
We got tickets on a. We got a moving violation.
What do you think, Rick?
BMX bike.
I wish I had my BMX bike to be there also.
Is it to get a moving violation?
Would you just look at it?
we got, bro. FLIPZCO brings the one and only in America cars, you know?
Yo, we're missing out there.
So we are headed to Secrets.
Actually, we're
GoPro
headed
footage.
to the hotel room.
Well, they can't see that.
Oh, we're going to Secrets.
It's a secret on what happens here, and then we're going to Secrets after that.
We out here.
Fucking stay flossy.
So what's going on, guys? H2O, day 3. Probably gonna grab some food right now. Partied last night. Secrets, we did. They did 5 guys. I didn't have food. We had pizza at like 4 in the morning. The Viscos are out here. Yo, what up?
What up?
How's your weekend?
Breakfast.
This is when the hungover meets H2O. I know I. It's real. H2O hangover is real. So we are headed back onto the strip. Have not seen one cop yet.
We ain't fucking leaving. Hello, my friend. What's going on?
What happened last night? Eric was like, yo, I got this car, we're gonna do burnout.
That's what Eric said?
Yeah.
Eric who? With a Y? One quick stop. Then we get some water. Get the fuck out of here. You look like you had a rough morning, pal.
Is it first time yet?
I think it's almost there. I was here. I was here for you to sign my shoes.
Okay, cool. Give me 1 second.
Wait. I paid $80 for these fucking. Sebastian, what are you doing, old boy? Killing it. I don't know where Diego's car is, but these IS300 boys killing the game right now. Them taillights, though. Loving the Z. Wow, there it is, boy.
What up?
What up, baby? I was like, yo.
Yo, you were so fucking lit last night.
Who?
You.
No, I wasn't.
You were gone.
Oh, you were gone.
You were out of this planet.
Nah, dude, I wasn't stumbling. Yo, Crispy said you're doing a burnout?
Fuck no.
One word. Huh?
Don't put me on the spot like that.
It makes the brake light go out.
You think it's gonna be a pass or a fail?
It should be pretty good again.
Okay.
I was gonna go up there and do a donut.
What's going on, bud? What's going on the vlog?
You gotta do the high five on the vlog.
Wait, hand hugs?
Uh-oh, caps, that's perfect timing.
Just cruising by. Just cruising by. Alright guys, we are officially heading out. Oh damn, that RX7 though. Yo! Yeah! Say peace.
Fucking later! Oh, I got no.
We ain't fucking leaving! Oh shit! Cody's been laying down the horn since we got into this traffic.
What he feels like about the fucking horn.
You gonna send it?
Damn right!
Woo!
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck was that? Oh, so my boy Barry just sent that shit, and now we're on the side of the fucking freeway because he thinks the drive shaft fell out. Drift car problems.
Hey Barry, I think you sent it, buddy.
I think I broke the diff.
Oh no.
And now we got a 4-hour trip home. Thanks for watching the vlog. Can't even talk right now.
I know, dude. I'm fucking shocked.
Oh my god.
I tried to yell.
Appreciate you guys watching the vlog. Definitely like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your moms, tell your dads, tell your...
Who holds your camera when you're talking?
I do.
Oh.
So, we'll catch you in a bit. Catch you on the next one. Later.
Hey, chill. Hey, come on, chill. Look at my neck shot. Look at my wrist shot.